Hello everyone, I'm putting up an alternative assignment just in case you don't have a printer. So this is going to be an origami assignment. I'm going to start here with a piece of paper that I've measured out that's 15 by 7.5. You can change that size and you just want to make sure that the ratio stays the same. Okay, so we're going to start here by taking the corner and just folding it over, creating a triangle, and we're just going to crease it. Going to next unfold that and repeat it going the other way. Create an X. And unfold that again. Then I'm going to flip the piece of paper over, and I'm going to fold the top down so that it crosses the center of that X, so that that new fold is right through the center. Okay, unfold it again. So I'm going to flip it again. And now you're just going to kind of push in the interior of those triangles to create that kind of arrowhead there. So you'll wind up with two triangular flaps now. So I'm just going to take the bottom and fold it up so that it touches the bottom of that triangle, or those two triangle flaps. Next, going to pull up one of those flaps and fold it down so that the point, that little point, touches the center of the origami. I'm going to repeat that on the other side, so flip up the tab and fold it down so that that little point on the corner of this edge matches up with the other one. Really going for symmetry here when trying to fold this. So now we have this arrow shape. So next, I'm going to take that flap and fold it up so that the fold is now lined up with the top of the piece of paper below it. And I'm going to repeat it on the other side. And these are going to end up being the front legs of the frog. Next, just going to fold it in so that it touches the bottom there where those legs were just created. Okay, this next part is a little bit tricky. So you're going to take one of these tabs here, and you're going to pull out kind of what was folded beneath it. So you can see that little tab there. So I'm going to pull out that kind of triangle that's in there and reverse it. And it's going to end up creating the first back leg of the frog. Same thing with the other side, just kind of taking what was folded in there, pulling it out, and there we go, we have the back legs started. So now there's a crease that you can just barely see there. And I'm going to take that back leg and fold it towards that crease so that it lines up with it. And same with the other side. So now I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to bend it back on itself. And this fold's a little tricky here. I ended up doing mine a little bit too shallow. I should have made the fold a little bit closer to the back of the frog, and that changed how it hopped. Um, so you can see there it's kind of halfway through the body, but it should have been a little bit further back. And then I'm going to take the top of the frog there, the front, and fold it back. So you have this kind of accordion style going on there. Now, if you put your finger on the back there, you got to push it down, it jumps. Now, like I said, if I would have folded that body fold a little bit closer to the back of the frog, it would actually be more effective. But there we go.